Hello YouTube family and welcome back to my channel for another unboxing, review and test. Already out of the box the ALLPOWERS VOLIX P300. Included in the box we have the power cord with a length 1.5 meters and the manual on a grey color. It has a lightweight, compact design and a comfortable grip handle, only 3.57 kg. It can charge a variety of devices including mobile phones, tablets, cameras, drones and small appliances via AC or DC output. It's ideal for camping and road trips or for use as a backup power source, because you can also use it as home backup UPS, so you don't need to worry about data loss or sudden power outages. You have available 4 ways to charge: AC, there's the AC port, 220 to 240 volts, 300 watts maximum, solar, XT60 input port, 11 to 30 volts, 8 amps max, 110 watts, or you can use AC plus the solar, or the cigarette lighter. There it is. The cigarette lighter input is 12 volt to 24 volts, max 110 watts, with a lovely cover. DC output button, the power button, AC output button, 2 USB-A, 5 to 12 volts, 3 amp max, 18 watts, and 1 USB-C output, 5 to 20 volt, and 5 amp max, 100 watts. And of course we have the output, 220 to 240 volts, 300 watts, surge 600 watts. And of course the display. Bluetooth compatible, as we can see here, press DC power button for 3 seconds to turn on or off the Bluetooth. Ventilation here. Soft silicone rubber at the bottom, it will stay very secure at any surface. The fan, when it's charging, it needs to cool down the internal parts. On a grey color, I like the texture. Inside it has LiFePO4 battery with over 4000 charging cycles. And it has a capacity 256 watt hours. Enough with the technical specifications and what has this unit. Let me plug it in. Right now with the AC port. Later I will charge it and with a solar panel, so stay tuned. I will show you how you can do that and how long it will take to charge this unit with the 100 watt solar panel. And it is on. 57% the battery. We can see the input, 332 watts for charging. We can see 21 minutes until fully charged. The output, DC output, it is on or off, we can see the icon. Same and for the AC output. The UPS icon, that means you can use it as a UPS. Press and hold for 3 seconds the DC output button. Bluetooth, it is on, we can see the icon. And I can hear in the fan. ALLPOWERS, add the device. There's the device. Connected. 62% remaining discharge time. Remaining power 62%. Input 321 watts. And the output. You can disable the AC, enable. Same and for the DC. 50 or 60 Hz. And at the settings you can choose the work mode, mute mode. You can see how it's dropping the charging. 100 watts, 93. Standard mode. And increasing. And next, the fast mode, with a maximum 330 watts, more or less. And you can enable the eco mode if you want. or disable. Eco mode shutdown times, you can choose. Firmware upgrade. Please contact the equipment manufacturer and enter the upgrade code. Okay, why? I have searched on my manual for the upgrade code, but I didn't find anything. I need to contact the manufacturer, as it says here. I don't like that. You can edit, delete the device, back again, increasing the fan. So, I think it's time to just wait to fully charge this unit, and then I will start the test. As we can see, it's fully charged, so I will try and connect from the Type-C port. Super fast charging. The battery is 35% on my smartphone, another 57 minutes until fully charged from the Type-C port. 22 watts output, it says here. We can see on my smartphone at the app. I will use the Type-A cable. Fast charging, not super fast charging. 35% the battery. And we need another 1 hour and 7 minutes until fully charged. So from the Type-C it is faster. 18 watts the power consumption from the output. Let's use the Type-C again. And of course I can connect other devices. A power bank. Plenty of devices. Another smartphone, Type-C. So many devices, no worry about that. It can handle all these devices simultaneously. We can see at the app output near 70 watts. And of course unplug from the main power. Now let's connect it on a more demanding device, a huge power consumption device from the AC output. Battery is 99%. I can plug in this double outlet, connect my TV, turning on my TV. We can see the consumption, near 120 watts, 1.8 hours it says, and I would like to charge this battery. Near 200 watts, 1.2 hours remaining. Why not charge on my tablet? I can connect it here because it is the dual output. DC on. And of course I can charge my smartphone, Type-C port. One hour remaining time. And I can use the output to charge a power bank for the car lighter. And it's charging. Near 240 watts the output. I can hear right now in the fan, we can see in the icon. And we have remaining 57 minutes. I really like the variety of output ports, the compact design, and how easy it is to carry for outdoor trips or as a backup power solution at home. Here is the ALLPOWERS SP027 portable foldable solar panel with a 100 watts output. It has ample storage space for all the cables and adapters you need. One solar cable to XT60 solar cable with a cable length of 1.5 meters. One XT60 and one DC5521 connection. At the other end are the positive and negative connections for the solar panel. Includes different sizes of connectors for portable generator. Is highly compatible with most solar generators on the market. With a folded size of only 3.05 kg. It's perfect for traveling off the beaten track where there is no access to electricity, and it won't take up much room in your bag. Constructed from durable waterproof nylon with an adjustable bracket for optimal sunlight reception. Durable MC4 connectors for solar panels. You will definitely want to know how long it takes to charge the power station using the solar panel. If you are looking for a power bank that won't weigh down your back but still has enough capacity to charge your laptop, drone and camera batteries over the weekend, this is a great option. The real star here is the LiFePO4 technology. You can use it every single day for years without the battery capacity dropping like it does with older models. It's small and rugged and gives you that off-grid freedom without the off-grid price tag. If you found this video helpful, please like it, subscribe and turn on the notification bell to receive updates on tech gadgets, power solutions and year reviews. Thanks for watching, stay powered up wherever you go and I'll see you in the next one.